the smart choice and protect yourself from sky-high auto repair bills. Call now for a free and instant protection plan quote. It's only a matter of time until repairs are needed, and once your car breaks down, it's too late. Call 1-800-423-7185 or go to carshield.com. Get covered today.
I have big news. You can now brush and floss at the same time. Introducing Waterpik Sonic Fusion. Clinically proven twice as effective as regular brushing and flossing. Go online or ask your dental professional about Waterpik Sonic Fusion.
Vets get sick too. Protection. Lysol laundry sanitizer kills 99.9% of illness-causing bacteria detergents leave behind. Proven to kill COVID-19.
Plane 2 worked long and hard dating his Kevin's house, and she's out and out skipping her friend's work. Kevin says hogwash because this louse did horribly sloppy work. Let's listen.
My job was to tape the walls, which was to put the taping on and patch the walls, the new walls that the carpenter built. So the brand new sheetrock. So then I primed the sheetrock, and then I put one coat of white.
$500. So when I was charged $29.95, I believe that Willie's pay what is the $29.95.
Why? Show me where Willie's pays in. Okay, hold on. If you want me to swallow that, you better show me. Wait just a sec. You tell me how it included the work Willie's was doing. Tell me about it. Show it to me in the contract.
Sure, there is no contract.
Oh, well then I guess you can't prove what you're saying, right?
No, and I have
more to the point, in your answer to the proof point, you say, besides it's only 10 hours, not 14, because you can see from the text when he clocks in and when he clocks out, right?
I said that